Welcome to the first episode of Market Economics, where economics shows the way. Only by your favorite data pulse visuals. Understanding market economics, the invisible engine of the world. What is market economics? Market economics, often referred to as a market-based economy, is an economic system where the laws of supply and demand direct the production of goods and services. Unlike centrally planned economies where governments make these decisions, in a market economy, individual producers and consumers make choices based on their own interests. The interaction of these independent decisions creates the market. Prices are not fixed by the state. Instead, they fluctuate naturally, guiding resource allocation. For instance, in countries like the United States or Germany, market forces determine what is produced, how much it costs, and who gets to buy it. Private ownership, competition, and voluntary exchange are key features. The system rewards efficiency and innovation, as firms must constantly adapt to consumer needs to survive. This invisible hand of the market, as described by Adam Smith, helps balance the economy through decentralized decision-making. Understanding supply and demand in market economics. At the heart of market economics lies the principle of supply and demand. Demand refers to how much of a product consumers are willing and able to purchase at various prices, while supply indicates how much producers are willing and able to sell. These forces interact to determine the price and quantity of goods in a free market. For example, if the demand for electric vehicles rises due to environmental awareness, but production cannot immediately match that demand, prices may increase. Conversely, if there is an oversupply of a product like wheat due to a bumper harvest, prices will likely fall. The point where supply meets demand is called market equilibrium. This is where the amount supplied equals the amount demanded, and the market is stable. If a government or external force distorts this balance, shortages or surpluses can occur, leading to economic inefficiencies. Understanding these dynamics is essential for analyzing market behavior and predicting trends.
Market structures and types. Market economics functions within different market structures, which influence competition and pricing. The four main types are perfect competition, monopolistic competition, oligopoly, and monopoly. In a perfectly competitive market, like agriculture, many small sellers offer identical products, and no single firm can influence price. Monopolistic competition, common in retail or restaurants, features many sellers offering differentiated products, like branding or style, that give them some pricing power. Oligopolies, such as the smartphone industry, are dominated by a few large players who often set trends and prices. Lastly, monopolies occur when a single seller controls the market, like a local utility company. While rare in pure form, monopolies can lead to higher prices and less innovation if unregulated. Each structure has implications for consumer choice, pricing, and innovation. Governments often regulate monopolies and promote competition to ensure markets function fairly and efficiently. Impact of government policies on market economics. While market economies rely on free exchange, government policies play a critical role in shaping and stabilizing them. Fiscal policies, such as taxation and government spending, influence consumer behavior and business investment. Monetary policy, controlled by central banks, adjusts interest rates and money supply to manage inflation and employment. For example, during economic downturns, governments might lower interest rates or offer subsidies to stimulate demand. Trade policies, such as tariffs or export restrictions, can also impact how open or competitive a market becomes. Regulatory policies ensure safety standards, protect the environment, and prevent unethical business practices. For instance, antitrust laws in the U.S. prevent large corporations from forming monopolies. These interventions aim to correct market failures, protect public interest, and maintain economic stability while still allowing markets to operate efficiently. From your local grocery store to billion-dollar tech startups, market economics is what keeps the world moving. Understanding it isn't just for economists, it's for anyone who wants to make sense of how the world works. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such powerful insights made simple.